Hey everyone, Corey, Next Day Stamps and Engraving, nextdaystamps.com, coming to you. Got some exciting news, got a new product we'd like to talk about. And you're going, Corey, what is this new product? Well, this new product is it's gonna take everything by storm here a little bit. It's gonna be available at your local dealerships in Wisconsin and Minnesota, coming here in the next few months. And what they are the Wisconsin and Minnesota ATV, UTV state plate kits. So this way, these are just the kits that you go into your dealers and they're right there. You can create your own ATV, UTV license plate. It's made of a high density plastic for cold or hot weather. And what's going to be in the kits is you're going to have a couple zip strips. You're going to have 4 sets of numbers and a set of letters. You're going to create your own plate. So you're going to make your own plate. So this is available for just to pick right off the shelf over your dealers, just to support your local dealers in Wisconsin and Minnesota. So the size of the plate, I want to talk about the size of the plate. They're the standard minimum size that they need to be, 7.5 inches long, but they're just a little bit taller to accommodate the graphic by the DNR rules. So they're about 5 1/8, 5 1/4, somewhere in there tall. They're going to already have holes in them ready to go, so you can, after you're done creating them, you can zip strip them onto your machine and go out and have fun on the trails. So basically, I got a little bit of a breakdown just to make it a little easy. Dealing with vinyl stickers can be kind of a pain in the rump. It's not always the easiest thing because they flex, they bend a little bit. But anyway, on the Wisconsin one, this is the Wisconsin one here. I'm going to talk about the Wisconsin one because the Minnesota one is pretty easy. So on the Wisconsin one, you're going to, just to make it easy to put the vinyl letters on the plate, you're going to measure up 1 3/4. Then you're gonna drop the tape on there as for a straight line. So the bottom edge of the letter or number is going to be close to that line. That's going to line it up real good for you. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take another couple pieces of tape, and where the ATV is, where the edge is, bring a piece up, bring another piece up, which kind of squares it up a little bit. So it comes in off the edge of the plate, it's roughly 3/8 of an inch on each side. I could be off. It's not going to be exact. Neither is this video going to be great, but I'm going to do the best I can, and I'll apologize now for this crappy video. But anyway, so you're going to come in 3/8 of an inch, and then you're going to put your first vinyl letter on, and then take another ruler from it, measuring about 1/4 of an inch away, and then you could put a straight edge up and down so it squares up the next letter. So obviously that would be this example would be the 2, and then you're going to do another 1/4 of an inch. You're going to put the next letter on, and then so on. You get to the last letter or number, and you put that on, and then there should be a little bit of a space in there. And then what I would suggest to do is to start off with your letter first, your last letter first, and then do the letter next to it. That seems to be the easiest way for these. So, and then with the Minnesota plate, all you have to do, you want to keep the letters pretty low with the Minnesota state plates, because you don't want to, when you put your Class 1 or Class 2 registration sticker to the top, or your agricultural sticker to the top right, you don't want to cover up your nice graphic. So that's why we just measure up about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of the Minnesota plate, drop a straight line with a pencil, go ahead, do the same thing. I would come off about 3/4 of an inch is what I measured here to start with. It's about 3/4 of an inch. Put it all depends. Some of the registration numbers, like an agricultural one, might start with a letter and 5 numbers. You're gonna have to space that out with that many. But this is just a standard number, couple letters, and then a couple more numbers after it. But this way, you can even keep the you can even go a little lower. Also, I would suggest even going a little lower too than the 3/4 of an inch, just to keep them as far down as you can, because those registration stickers are going to be about 3.5 by 1.5 tall. So you want to keep it under the nice graphic here a little bit, and then come down. This way you can show off your nice kit, your plate kit, and then this way it's not going to look so scrunched. So, but other than that, like I said, the kits are going to come with everything you need. You can get them at your local dealerships, and just ask for them. They're the state plate kits. So other than that, something new. Wanted to come to you with a little something new. Kind of teach you a little bit how to lay a vinyl. If anyone has any easier way of doing it, let me know. But that seems like I said, dealing with the little flimsy vinyl letters is not the easiest thing to work with. So, but I want to take the time to say thank you very much. And if you need a plate quick, then check your dealerships. They should ask for them by name. That's the state plate kits. So everyone, I want to just say thank you very much, and have a great day.